Okay, you can batch by weight. Now, when you're batching by volume, that makes it a volumetric process of batching. All right. So what this means now is that you have to have a defined volume. Okay, a defined volume. What I mean, a container that you know the length, you know the width, okay, you know the depth, okay. That is what I mean. For example, a box. You have a box, okay, in this manner, okay. You have a box, all right. Now this box has length, it has width, it has height, all right. So with this now, you have to define this, know the volume, all right. So knowing that volume now, you now use it to do the measurement of these materials, all right. Then in some cases you can use your head pan, all right. You can use your head pan. You can use your head pan. You can use your head pan. Now this your head pan also have a defined volume. Now when you're using your head pan, you're doing your batching by volume. So understand that when you're using head pan, your batching is done by volume. All right. Then for weight now, it means that you need a weighing balance. Okay, you need a weighing balance. Okay, you need a weighing balance to measure all of these materials. So if you're doing, for example, definitely this will be governed by a ratio. All right, you have 1 for cement, maybe 1.5 for sand, maybe 3 for aggregate. So what it simply means is that you're doing by weight. You have to get the weight of cement. Then that weight of cement, you get the 1.5 weight of the sand. Then you get the 3 weight of aggregate. That will now give you based on that ratio. So when you do that by weighing balance, you're doing your batching by weight. So basically, batching is trying to measure all of these materials based on their ratios. Okay, it's either by volume or by weight, as the case may be. But by weight is usually regarded as the most precise means or process of batching, because it will give you a definite measurement. But by volume, it means that there will be some form of discrepancies, because you cannot determine the quantity that fills this head pan in subsequent measurement. So definitely there will be additional, there will be reduction and all. So the accuracy will not be that much there. All right. So the first stage is batching.